Bunyi Wanita Seakan Dij Rut di tingkat 23 apartmen di Damansara Cetus Kebimbangan penduduk.
Hey, are you in?
Satu perkongsian tular di thread mencetuskan kebimbangan orang ramai selepas seorang penghuni mendakwa mendengar bunyi dentuman serta jeritan wanita dari tingkat 23 sebuah bangunan kediaman di Damansara pada 1 Ogos lalu. Menurut individu itu, dia dan isterinya pada mulanya menyangka bunyi yang datang dari bilik utiliti sekitar jam 9 malam hanyalah bunyi paip sebelum keluar makan malam. Namun kira-kira jam 12.30 malam, mereka mendakwa bunyi dentuman menjadi semakin kuat disusuli suara seperti seorang wanita menjerit dalam keadaan tersekat-sekat. Bimbang berlaku sesuatu yang tidak diingini, mereka menghubungi pihak keselamatan dan polis. Pengurusan bangunan kemudian memanggil pasukan penyelenggaraan dari beberapa blok untuk membuka semua pintu bilik utiliti dan menjalankan pemeriksaan. Walaupun pemeriksaan dilakukan sehingga awal pagi, bunyi tersebut didakwa masih kedengaran dari kawasan sama. Pasukan penyelenggaraan akhirnya membuat kesimpulan bahawa bunyi berkenaan berkemungkinan berpunca daripada sistem paip. Namun pasangan itu mengakui mereka masih ragu-ragu dan bimbang jika benar terdapat seseorang yang memerlukan bantuan. Perkongsian itu turut mendapat perhatian ramai di media sosial. Ada yang mendakwa pernah mengalami situasi hampir sama ketika tinggal di bangunan berkenaan, manakala ada juga yang berpendapat bunyi tersebut mungkin berpunca daripada sistem saluran paip.
Hey, you gotta make more sounds. Come on, do it.
Is he upstairs?
I don't know. Come on. We have to find you. I don't know where you are. We found you. Wait, where are you? Where are you?
Because I if you're upstairs or downstairs.
Are you upstairs or downstairs? Hey! Upstairs?
It's okay. Be patient. We're almost there. We're almost there. Don't worry.
Alright, relax. We gotta get help. Save your energy. Someone inside?
Oh, the other side.
Hey! Are you in here?
Says here.
Call police or something? I don't know.
At least you need to call police.
Yeah, what is this? Someone's crying inside. Hello? Hey! Are you okay? No?
Up or down? Up. Okay.
Up.
We're on the 23rd floor. Where are you? Up or down? Up? Down? 23rd? Down. 22nd floor. 22nd floor?
Hello? Where are you? Can you hear me?
Okay, she can hear us.
We can't see you. You're down?
Okay, make a sound if it's on your floor, okay? 22nd, 23rd, 24th.
I don't know. I don't think she can.
I don't think she can hear us. 23rd?
She sounds like next door.
Yeah, I
It
think
sounds
she's
like next door.